Hi everyone, so I'm Pradhana Arora, the co-founder of Creative Language Hub. Today this video has been made specifically to explain you about what Ausbildung is. I know this term has become pretty common. This is a program which has been launched in Germany, and many organizations are already doing this. But you need to know about exactly what it is so that you can make up your mind accordingly. To begin with, let me just explain you what Ausbildung is all about. It's a learn and earn program. We also call it as a dual training program or an apprenticeship program in which you are paid a minimum stipend for the next 3 years. It's paid on a monthly basis. Normally, it starts somewhere around 1050 and it can even go higher and more. That depends at which state you are getting hired, which company you are working, and which field you are. Normally, there are multiple options available. We have it for hotel industries, we have it for you can say nursing, we have it for logistics, mechatronics, and it further has subdivisions. For example, if I talk about hotel industry, we have it as a post of chef, bakers, hotel manager, restaurant manager. So there are multiple options available. You can propose for any of the option which you are looking forward to work in the house building program, but again the final decision would be in the hands of the employer or the buyer only, who would be interacting with you after meeting you and getting to know more about you and as a person, or maybe on a e-meet. They will be giving their feedback that which field is best suited for you, because you would be working with them and under them for the next 3 years. So they don't want any trouble to be created either for you or for them. So they are going to evaluate everything, your experience, your confidence, your knowledge. There are multiple parameters on which you will be judged. Apart from that, your German skills do matter. Though this program is eligible for all those candidates who have B1 certification, but again, your pronunciation, your accent, your confidence, how much you are able to exaggerate, you are able to expand your things, I mean, the speaking topics accordingly, the buyers or then German employers make up their mind. Now the next thing, how to begin with it. Now there are two kind of categories who approach us in this. One is who already have their B1 certificate, and the second one is who are, for them German is like they are a fresher, they are a layman in terms of German. So let me first explain you for those who are freshers. Now for freshers, they should be minimum class 12 pass outs. They could be undergraduates, they could be graduates as well. The age limit starts somewhere from 18 and the maximum for which we can take is 27. Beyond that, we are not going to entertain, we are not we won't be able to take more candidates after that. Now, the next thing is you need to learn the language. And for that, our team at KDH would be there to assist you. We would be teaching you starting from the very scratch, from the beginning, A1, then A2, and then B1. After that, you are going to appear for an exam at any of the ALTE certified examination halls. We have Goethe, we have TELF, and you need to clear your B1. Then once the results are out, which hopefully we get in 20-25 days the max, then the interviews start. But before appearing for the interviews, we're going to like polish your skills on that part as well. Now comes the main role. If the company hires, like they select you, you're chosen, then we proceed with the formalities. I mean, getting the contract signed from Germany, and then multiple things, then your visa, everything would be a responsibility. So I can say the A to Z of starting from learning the language to reaching to Germany and post arrival, all the services would be our responsibility completely. So this is how we work if a fresher or a layman in Germany approaches us. On the contrary, if you have somebody who already has B1, again, you have various platforms. You come from different states, sometimes from Gujarat, sometimes from Kolkata, sometimes from UP. So everybody has their own accent and way of talking in German. So we need to polish the skills and we need to mold your skills in accordance to what a German employee who is a native in German wants to see in you people. So my team would be there to polish your skills. But before enrolling with us, you need to submit your B1 certification. We would be happy if it's like not less than 1 year, but if it is older than that, then again we have a solution for that as well. But somehow once you submit your documents and you enroll with us, after that we start with your procedure, and the entire process is taken care of. And once you get selected, then the rest of the things remain same, which was for the fresher or a layman in German as well. So me, my team would be assisting you not only in India, but once you arrive in Germany also. And we have placed successfully multiple candidates. You can log into our Instagram IDs. We already have so many success stories which we have already posted on our IDs. Still, if you have any query, you can get back to us anytime. Thank you for your time.